Hope everybody enjoyed their Sunday. Had a nice little snowfall in a lot of spots. I know in my backyard we got close to about an inch. Into New England, they're doing a little bit better. This is kicking it off, guys. Tonight I want to talk about how I think things could evolve with this big storm later this week. And right now, I don't think the models are handling this properly. Now, this is speculative because, again, I don't have a crystal ball here, but I'm going to give you some reasons why I think this storm could be a little colder than some think. Focus is still off the coast. The focus is still to the north and west of 95. But, areas like northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Jersey, Connecticut, I wouldn't just be writing this off to just a rainstorm or even mostly just ice to rain. I think there's a chance this could surprise a lot of people. Let me explain why. Here's a big upper low. It's going to be barreling across. Now, the first thing we're going to look at here is look at the pattern to the north of this low. This is the European ensemble. This west base block, we have this beautiful 50-50 low from our storm today. It's going to just create all kinds of high pressure at the surface right here. We talked about this the other day. What I think is happening here is I think the models still are driving this primary low too far north into the high pressure. What I think can happen is as we get closer to the period, and we're talking about Thursday, Friday time frame, the model's going to start pushing this high pressure low further south. What that's going to do is it's going to cause the model to then try to redevelop the secondary low further south than what it's showing now. Now, here's the key why this high pressure is important. When you have high pressure, it's going to filter in cold air. So I want you to pay attention to the blue lines. That's 850 temps. If that high pressure pushes just a little bit more, this blue line is going to push further south. So if I go to 850 temperature, you can see right now it shows, okay, there's a little bit of a mild surge coming in, but notice how it starts to fill on the ensemble, right? It still shows a little bit of mild air here. My point is, if we get this high pressure to be a little stronger than models, which happens a lot, guys, in a long range, we're not there yet, where the models I think can really pick up on this. You could have this push further south, cold air further south. Instead of something like this snow line is brought all the way down to areas like northwestern New Jersey, into Connecticut, etc. So stay tuned. A lot of action on the table here.